And to the dark side of AI, the open source community is grappling with a new challenge, an influx of low-quality bug reports generated by artificial intelligence. These submissions, often riddled with inaccuracies, are frustrating maintainers and wasting valuable time, especially among these volunteers. Seth Larson, the security developer in residence at the Python Software Foundation, recently highlighted the issue in a blog post describing the surge of spammy LLM hallucinated security reports. He noted that these AI-generated submissions, while appearing credible at first glance, require time-consuming evaluation only to reveal a lack of substance. And Larson's not alone. Daniel Stenberg, the maintainer of curl, expressed similar frustrations, sharing an example of an AI-assisted bug report that wasted significant time. In his response, Stenberg criticized the use of AI tools for bug reporting, stating, "We receive AI slop like this regularly and at volume. You contribute to unnecessary load of curl maintainers." The rise of generative AI tools has exacerbated a long-standing issue of spam in open source projects. While tools like chatbots and large language models can assist with coding, they often fail to understand nuanced code bases, resulting in many false positives. Larson warns that these reports, though relatively few in number now, could signal a larger problem for the open source community. Whatever happens to Python or pip is likely to eventually happen to more projects or more frequently, Larson said. He expressed concern about smaller projects and isolated maintainers who might waste significant time addressing false reports, potentially leading to burnout. Larson is calling for pre-verification of bug reports by humans before submission and urges platforms that host vulnerability reports to limit automated or abusive entries. He also believes the open source community needs systemic changes, including funding and resources to support maintainers. Funding for staffing is one answer, Larson explained, pointing to his own role supported by a grant. Involvement from donated employment time is another. While generative AI holds the potential for improving workflows, Larson's message is clear for now. AI tools cannot replace human oversight in understanding and managing complex code bases. Addressing the challenge of AI-generated slop reports is essential to safeguarding the sustainability and efficiency of open source development.